Magandang araw ho sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kaguruan ng DepEd na nag-aabang ng kanilang mga SARO. Actually, DepEd comprises the biggest the department, agency ng ating pamahalaan. So, tingnan natin kung meron bang uh, na-release na SARO for today. Okay, so meron tayo dito, Central Office. This is Department of Finance, Indian DepEd. We also have it here from the UST, the National Academy of Science and Technology. Um, Okay, this is other executive offices, hindi din PBB pero hindi sa DepEd, ano. Okay, narito yung mga, okay, ito DepEd ito. Tingnan natin dito, DepEd, ito yung office. So, we have Division of Valenzuela, Division of Taguig and Pateros, Division of San Juan City, Division of Quezon City, parang NCR at ito. Division of Pasig City, uh, November 11, tingnan natin yan. That's November 27, ngayong araw to. Division of Pasay City, Division of Parañaque, Division of Naboda City, Division of Muntinlupa, Division of Marikina, Division of Manila, Division of Mandaluyong, Division of Malabon City, Division of Makati, Division of Las Piñas, Division of Caloocan, Regional Office ng NCR, ng Department of Education. Congratulations. Then, meron din dito, this is November 26, kahapon, Division of Masbate, Division of Legazpi City, Region 5, dito. Division of Ligao City, Division of Catanduanes, Division of Tabaco City, I guess that's Albay, Division of Albay, Division of Masbate City, Division of Camarines Sur, Division of Iriga City, Division of Naga City, Division of Camarines Norte, Division of Sorsogon City, Division of Sorsogon, Division, ano to? This is Division of Negros Occidental. This was 25, tapos na to. Okay, so, ngayong araw na to, mostly sa mga PBB SARO na na-release is from NCR. So, National Capital Region. Congratulations sa lahat ng ating mga katuhan at ang other DepEd employees. Have a great